The MONTOLIT MASTERPIUMA is a highly versatile tile cutter suitable for ceramic tiles, porcelain, and glass mosaics. Its ergonomic handle features a powerful lever system considered one of the most efficient on the market. Capable of cutting tiles up to 25 inches long, it handles most standard tile sizes with ease. One standout feature is its folding design, which allows for easy transportation and compact storage. Manufactured in Italy using cast aluminum and nickel-plated steel, it offers exceptional durability and weather resistance. The titanium cutting wheel is optimized for porcelain, while the self-adjusting marking system eliminates the need for constant thickness adjustments. This smoothing iron is engineered specifically for leveling freshly poured concrete pavement, delivering a flawless, professional finish while eliminating surface defects. Equipped with a 360-degree rotating bracket, it allows flexible working angles, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. The ergonomic handle is designed to reduce strain and improve comfort during extended use. Constructed from wear-resistant materials, it withstands tough construction environments with ease. Its lightweight yet durable aluminum alloy frame ensures strength without added fatigue. With a blade length of 122 centimeters, it efficiently covers large surface areas, gliding smoothly across the concrete regardless of inclination. The hot neck riveting tool stands out thanks to its unique quadruple swivel joint design, allowing rivets to be installed smoothly in a single motion. Built for durability, the body is made from reinforced aluminum, while the working components are crafted from high-strength carbon steel. It includes 5 interchangeable tips ranging from 2.4 to 6.4 millimeters, which can be swapped easily using the included key. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort during extended use, while hardened steel clamps deliver a strong, reliable grip. Suitable for automotive repairs, construction, sheet metal work, gutters, and door repairs, this tool delivers efficiency and long-lasting performance. KREG KFS puck blocks are versatile helpers designed for a wide variety of workshop tasks. Each of the 4 hexagonal blocks can support up to 200 pounds, making them perfect for painting, sanding, clamping, assembling, and more. Featuring GripMax technology, they provide a reliable non-slip surface that keeps material stable during use. Standing at 1.5 inches tall, they are ideally sized for working with standard 2x4 boards. Whether you're a DIY hobbyist or a professional craftsman, these puck blocks offer durability, convenience, and dependable performance for everyday projects. The DEWALT cordless multi-tool is engineered to replace an entire toolbox with one compact, powerful unit. Equipped with a high-performance brushless motor, it delivers up to 57% longer runtime compared to standard models. 3 selectable speed modes allow precise control for cutting, sanding, scraping, and finishing tasks. The quick change accessory system enables fast attachment swaps without additional tools. A universal adapter ensures compatibility with accessories from nearly any brand. Integrated LED lighting improves visibility in dark or confined spaces. As part of the DEWALT 20-volt max system, it shares batteries with other tools in the lineup, offering unmatched convenience and efficiency for professionals and DIY users alike. The DEWALT cordless cable stripper is built for efficiently stripping thick cables with diameters of up to 4 inches. Its integrated depth stop ensures precise stripping without damaging internal wires. Quick change bushings allow it to adapt easily to a wide range of cable sizes, from small wires to heavy power cables. The EC clutch system enhances safety by automatically stopping the tool if it binds. Built-in LED lighting improves visibility in dark workspaces, while the cordless design allows unrestricted movement. Supplied with a dedicated storage case, this tool keeps all components organized and ready for professional use. This angle jointing set is a versatile and precise solution designed specifically for woodworking and carpentry projects. Crafted from durable aluminum, it is lightweight, rust-resistant, and cools quickly during use. The adjustable design allows holes to be drilled at any distance by simply repositioning the guides, eliminating complex measurements. The tool can also be separated into two parts, making it perfect for narrow boards and tight spaces. Built-in measurement scales provide accurate reference points for board thickness and drilling depth. The complete kit includes drill bits, screwdrivers, mounting screws, and wooden plugs to conceal fastener heads. Compatible with hardwood, softwood, and fiberboard, it is ideal for cabinets, shelves, tables, and furniture assembly. The JPT200 laser cleaner delivers micron-level precision for cleaning metal surfaces using advanced pulse mode technology. It emits short, high-energy laser bursts that effectively remove rust, paint, and coatings without damaging the underlying metal. This makes it ideal for delicate, detailed components and high-precision restoration work. The ergonomic backpack design enhances portability, allowing easy movement across job sites. Its air cooling system eliminates the need for liquid cooling, simplifying setup and operation. Pulse cleaning offers key advantages including reduced heat impact, increased accuracy, targeted surface treatment, and minimal lens wear, significantly extending the tool's lifespan while maintaining consistent cleaning quality. The RIVETING Guillotine pipe cutter delivers clean, accurate cuts on pipes ranging from 3 to 8 inches in diameter. Its rigid frame and precision blade keep deviation to just 1/8 inch, even on medium to high-density materials. The resulting cuts are clean enough for electric welding without additional machining, and only minimal prep is needed for butt welding. Requiring just 4 to 6 inches of clearance, it's ideal for tight workspaces. Designed specifically for polyethylene pipe, the non-stick blade resists debris buildup and can be sharpened or replaced easily for long-term use. Powered by a 40-volt battery, this Makita blower delivers corded-level performance without the limitations of an outlet. It's versatile enough for construction sites, workshops, and even delicate cleaning tasks like dusting a computer keyboard. As part of Makita's new generation of cordless tools, it offers increased power and longer runtimes. Whether clearing debris or reaching tight spaces, this blower is a reliable and convenient cleaning solution for a wide range of applications. The Live Mini Chaibsaw delivers impressive cutting performance in a compact and easy-to-handle design. Powered by an advanced brushless motor, it can cut through a 6-inch diameter log in just 8 seconds, reaching cutting speeds of up to 26.2 feet per second. The built-in automatic chain lubrication system continuously oils the chain during operation, eliminating the need for manual lubrication. Earlier oil leakage issues have been fully addressed in this updated design. The chainsaw includes two 21-volt batteries, each providing 50 to 60 minutes of runtime, allowing uninterrupted work by swapping batteries. These batteries are also compatible with Makita tools. Safety features include a rotating protective shield, locking button, and ergonomic grip, ensuring controlled and beginner-friendly operation. This Black & Decker chainsaw features a unique clamping jaw system that works like a pair of giant scissors. It securely grabs branches before cutting, so there's no need to hold the material separately. Powered by a 4.5 amp motor, it easily cuts branches up to 10 centimeters thick, making it perfect for jobs that are too big for hand pruners but don't require a full-size chainsaw. Metal guards around the jaws provide extra protection, keeping your hand safe during operation. The saw is mains-powered and designed with a compact, lightweight body, allowing you to reach tight or awkward spots around the garden with ease. The CAMEL lever is an innovative alignment tool designed to deliver precise positioning and secure fixation of deck boards during installation. Its clever mechanism allows boards to be adjusted quickly and locked firmly in place with a single turn of the handle. This ensures tight, uniform spacing across the entire surface while dramatically reducing installation time. The tool works with various wood types, making it suitable for both softwood and hardwood decking projects. Its compact form and ergonomic handle allow easy operation even in tight or hard-to-reach spaces. By maintaining consistent pressure and alignment, the CAMEL lever helps achieve professional-grade results with less effort and greater efficiency. The SKIL Compact Multi-Cutter is your go-to tool for fast, effortless cutting across a wide range of materials. Whether you're slicing cardboard, carpet, leather, or vinyl up to 6 mm thick, this cutter delivers clean and precise results every time. It features a durable 40 mm blade designed to stay sharp and accurate through repeated use. SKIL also focuses heavily on comfort and control, with a compact, lightweight body and an ergonomic handle that lets you work longer without fatigue. A built-in power lock mechanism prevents accidental startups, adding an extra layer of safety. With a blade speed of 300 revolutions per minute, it's perfectly tuned for common household and workshop materials. Compatible with all SKIL 12-volt batteries, this multi-cutter is a reliable and convenient companion for everyday projects. The Powerduction 10 or induction heater is a compact yet powerful solution for heating metal and loosening seized or corroded components without open flames. With an output of 1,250 watts, it plugs directly into a standard power outlet and delivers controlled, targeted heat in seconds. Its lightweight design allows it to be comfortably carried over the shoulder, making it ideal for mobile work. Built-in overload and overheating protection ensures safe operation, even during extended use. The kit includes 5 interchangeable coils, spiral wires and multiple diameters for bolts and nuts, a flexible braided coil for larger components like exhaust pipes, and a straight wire that can be shaped as needed. Simply wrap the coil, press the button, and let heat do the work. The 3-in-1 electric burner is a game changer for anyone tired of constantly battling weeds. With its interchangeable nozzle system, it can also be used to ignite barbecues, reaching temperatures of up to 650 degrees Celsius. This tool effectively destroys weeds growing in sidewalk cracks and between paving stones without chemicals. The 2-meter-long power cable allows you to reach every corner of your garden easily. Designed with ergonomics in mind, it lets you work comfortably for extended periods without hand fatigue. Built from durable aluminum and ABS plastic, it's made to last for years. It's eco-friendly too, no fumes, no gas, just plug it in and get to work. The Metabo HPT Rebar bending machine is built to handle heavy-duty construction tasks with speed and precision. Powered by a robust 8-amp motor delivering 530 watts, it effortlessly bends number 5 grade 60 rebar. The variable speed trigger and integrated safety lock give you precise control, closely mimicking manual bending but without physical strain. For exact angles, simply set the dial and let the machine bend rebar up to 180 degrees in just 5.1 seconds. Cutting operations are even faster, taking only 3.1 seconds. Clear markings on the bending plate ensure accurate placement every time, making this a reliable and efficient solution for professional construction work. The Camo Drive Deck Tool is an innovative solution designed to make decking installation faster, cleaner, and far more comfortable by allowing you to work while standing upright. It supports 3 installation methods: edge fastening, clip systems, and surface fastening, making it compatible with composite decking, PVC boards, hardwood, and traditional wood planks. With this system, decking installation can be completed up to 5 times faster than traditional methods. It works seamlessly with Camo edge deck screws, edge clips, edge X clips, and collated face screws. The tool connects easily to a cordless drill and includes 3 quick change guides for smooth operation. Adjustable depth control and a reversible handle make it suitable for both left and right-handed users, ensuring consistent and professional results on every deck. The Ryobi cordless sweeper is designed to handle both fine dust and heavy debris with ease. Featuring 2 large 53cm counter-rotating brushes, it sweeps material inward into a spacious 17-liter collection container. It effectively captures nails, screws, wood chips, plastic fragments, leaves, and general workshop debris. Suitable for garages, patios, workshops, and indoor spaces, the sweeper offers versatile cleaning performance. The telescopic handle adjusts to your height for ergonomic comfort, while a simple foot-operated switch controls power. A transparent container allows quick monitoring of fill levels, and the unit stores vertically to save space. As part of the Ryobi One Plus system, it uses batteries compatible with over 100 tools. The multi-trowel adjustable trowel is designed for professionals who need precision when working on domes, curves, and uneven wall surfaces. It features a 16-inch stainless steel blade with rounded corners that adjust smoothly to match different shapes and contours. Built for durability, the blade is stainless steel, the adjusters are made from tough aluminum, and the handle is reinforced fiberglass plastic for long-term strength. The grip is wrapped in marine-grade vinyl, giving you excellent comfort and control even during extended use. This versatile tool works on drywall, plaster, concrete, shotcrete, and more. You can bend the blade to an 8-inch radius, set it to a 10-inch convex curve, or tighten it down to a precise 5.5-inch radius. It's a single tool that replaces multiple specialty trowels.